Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Pi Network. On this video, I'm going to teach you about the Pi Network app. So the Pi Network app, mostly it's like a crypto mining thing. For those who doesn't know, so I'm gonna show you some few of the key factors about this one and what you need to know about the Pi Network app. So let's go. So the key features of a Pi Network app is it's number one, it's a mobile mining. So users can mine Pi coins using their phones without consuming excessive energy. Number two, security circles. Users build a trusted network by verifying others, which enhance security. Number three, user roles. Participants can be pioneer, basic miners, contributors who secure the networks, ambassadors who invite others, and nodes who run full blockchain nodes. Pi Wallet, a built-in wallet to store Pi coins, and Pi KYC or Know Your Customer, a verification process required before transferring Pi to external wallets. So, and number six is Pi ecosystem, a marketplace and apps where Pi can be used for transactions. So when using the Pi, checking out the key features, this is a very safe mining, mobile mining network, and this is a very more energy um, saving mining, and the security is very trusted as also. And we're gonna move to the how to use the Pi Network app. The first thing you need to do is, of course, download the app from Google Play or Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. Sign up using Facebook or maybe a phone number. Enter an invitation code required to join, and start mining by tapping a button every 24 hours. Because every 24 hours, after you click on the button, it will reset. So you need to click on it again or press on it again. Increase earning by referring new users and forming security circles. And is Pi new network legitimate? So Pi network is in its main net phase, but withdrawals and trading are currently restricted. Some critics question is this decentralization and actually utility. It does not require financial investment but requires time and personal data. So, for me personally, Pi is gonna be legit. It's almost gonna be legit. But for now, these are the findings. So, we're gonna stick to this. But I'm gonna give you tips if you're gonna start on using Pi. First tip on start using Pi, mine daily. Don't forget the 24 hours alarm. Put an alarm, then click on the Pi. And second tip, build a security circle. And my third tip, complete your KYC. Complete your KYC as fast as you can, because I've tried using the Pi, and KYC is a little bit longer. It's a long process of verification and getting to know your identity. And number four, my fourth tip is avoid scam. Never share your Pi login or wallet passphrase with anyone, because they can easily hack it and get all your Pi. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about Pi network, just type it down in the comment section below, and I'll be happy. I meant we will be happy to answer your questions. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.